You know, gas scares me. That's why I got this carbon monoxide detector right here. That's a portable carbon monoxide detector. It even has a gas leak detector built into it. If I have a gas leak, it'll sound the alarm. And it also has a included smoke detector. This plugs in with a two-prong, so I don't have to hire an electrician. This is portable. I can even take this out of town when I travel. It keeps up with your temperature as well as your humidity. So if you want to get protection in your home, camper, RV, or even when you travel, I do recommend this one. I'm going to link it for you. There's a few left in stock. Just click that shopping cart down there to shop them.